Hey guys, today I'm doing slime pet peeves. Slime and squishies pet peeves, sorry. So I'm just gonna show you pet peeves that annoy me. So let's get started with this video. But are you ready? And make sure to hit the like button in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Did you do it? Comment down below and subscribe. So let's get started. The one with the squishy that just describes all of the details on it. Hey guys, so today I'm going to be reviewing my squishy. It's so slow rising. Like, it's my most rising squishy ever. Like, it's like eye bloom. It's eye bloom. It's pink, green, brown, white. It has this little ear up here, and his eyes is so cute. Oh my gosh, I just love it so much. So yeah. So cool. 5 hours later. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe. Bye. Squish. The one that pokes squishies. Oh my gosh. Today I'm going to be showing you my watermelon squishy. It's so pokey. I love this slime squishy so much. Yeah, thanks for watching. Bye. The one that gives the worst example. One that gives the worst example. I think I said that. Yeah, I did. Sorry. Hey guys, today I'm going to be selling this squishy on my internet called Silly123. And this is how it looks like. So adorable. But when you squish it, you have to wait like 5 minutes. So it's gonna be $55. And if you think it's like really expensive, look at other ones. They're like $60, okay? So yeah, but it's too slow rising, so make sure you like don't buy it. And if you think that this is really expensive, it's not expensive. Like, seriously, this is a really good quality, but like, seriously, if you think it's too expensive, like, geez, it's not expensive, okay? And yeah, bye. I'm gonna do slime pet peeves. When they poke jiggly slime. When they rip the slime and oh my gosh, it's just terrible. In the arms of the angel. Now I'm going to do a dare. They said to cover my squishy in slime. Okay, so let's do this. It might get stuck on it only because this is a really sticky slime. That's why I'm doing it with this. Do you see that? It's so sad. I just got that yesterday. This is how much I can cover it, okay? Because it's not going anywhere. I'm gonna squish it now. Thanks for watching this video. Like, subscribe, make sure to hit that like button.